Hello friends, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you. Get ready for dictation. Start. The decision as to whether a complaint or FIR should be quashed on the ground that the offender and victim have settled the dispute revolves ultimately on the facts and circumstances of each case, and no exhaustive elaboration of principles can be formulated. Stop. Para. In the exercise of the power under Section 482 and while dealing with a plea that the dispute has been settled, the High Court must have due regard to the nature and gravity of the offence. Stop. Heinous and serious offences involving mental depravity or offences such as murder, rape, and dacoity cannot three of four appropriately be quashed, though the victim or the family of the victim have settled the dispute. Stop. Such offences are, truly speaking, not private in nature but have a serious impact upon society. Stop. The decision to continue with the trial in such cases is founded on the overriding element of public interest in punishing persons for serious offences. Stop. Para. As distinguished from serious offences, there may be criminal cases which have an overwhelming or predominant element of a civil dispute. Stop. They stand on a distinct footing insofar as the exercise of the inherent power to quash is concerned. Stop. Para. Criminal cases involving offences which arise from commercial, financial, mercantile, partnership, or similar transactions with an essentially civil flavor may in appropriate situations fall for quashing where parties have settled the dispute. Stop. Para. In such a case, the High Court may quash the criminal proceeding if, in view of the compromise between the disputants, the possibility of a conviction is remote and the continuation of a criminal proceeding would cause oppression and prejudice. Stop. Para. There is yet an exception to the principle set out in propositions 8 and 9 above. Stop. Economic offences involving the financial and economic well-being of the state have implications which lie beyond the domain of a mere dispute between private disputants. Stop. The High Court would be justified in declining to quash where the offender is involved in an activity akin to a financial or economic fraud or misdemeanor. Stop. The consequences of the act complained of upon the financial or economic system will weigh in the balance. Stop. Para. Parties have settled the issue. They are residing in same locality and have decided to live peacefully rather than indulging in litigation. Stop. To meet the ends of justice and considering that no useful purpose would be served in continuing with the trial, the above mentioned FIR with all subsequent proceedings arising therefrom are quashed. Stop. Para. A report dated 19/5/2021 has been submitted by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Cathal, wherein it has been reported that statements of the petitioners and respondent number 2 have been recorded and statements made by the parties in the court reveal that they have voluntarily entered into a compromise and the court is satisfied that the parties have amicably settled their dispute without any fear, pressure, threat, or coercion and out of their free will. Stop. Para. Counsel for the petitioners has submitted that no other criminal case is pending between the parties and none of the petitioner has been declared as proclaimed offender. Stop.